Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick how-to. In this video, we're going to show you how you can get Monopoly Go free dice. So here on your app, basically just play and roll the dice to get rewards like free dice or get some properties. As you progress through the game, you will get some free dice rolls every hour. Now, the other way here to get free dice is by going to the shop. So tap on the shop right there at the top left hand corner of your screen. And then you just have to scroll it right. Then at the far right, you will actually get a free gift. So just click on free gift. And sometimes here it contains dice. So you can see right here, you will get some dices. Now the other way to get free dice is by going to appgamer.com. So go to your browser and then go to appgamer.com. So basically, I'm going to paste the link at the description box. And here you can find an article on how to redeem your free dice with links on Monopoly Go. And here, if you scroll down, you'll find some links for free dice. So scroll down here. So as you can see, you will find at the bottom, for example, at the 22nd of March, there are 5 free dice rolls. So if I'm going to click onto any of these links, for example, I'm going to click the first 25 free dice right here. So basically, once you click on that one, it will automatically go to your Monopoly Go app, and then you can redeem the free dice. So you can always go back to the website, for example, and then go to the second link right here. And then again, it will again go back to Monopoly Go app. And again, you can now get the or collect the free dice rolls. So remember, these links only be used once. So you just have to choose any of the links right there. So that's a great way on how you can increase your dice for free. So that's all. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe and see you on the next video.